The volume of content we are expected to create as business owners keeps rising, yet our time remains stuck at 24 hours a day. Your real superpower this year is effective repurposing. But I am definitely not talking about the lazy copy and paste kind. You simply cannot just crop a 15-second snippet from a long YouTube video, toss it in portrait mode, and expect the algorithms to reward you. Modern platforms have gotten significantly pickier, meaning your shorts, reels, and TikToks need to feel intentional, native, and fast-paced. Today, I want to walk you through a practical step-by-step strategy to turn long-form videos into short clips that actually perform well. I will also show you how to use Vizard to make that entire production flow shockingly simple. Let us start from square one. Pick your long-form asset, whether that is a talking head explainer, a casual vlog, or a podcast episode. The key is choosing content with moments worth highlighting, like strong opinions, surprising statistics, punchlines, or emotional beats. Once you have that file, upload it to Vizard, which is a process that is much quicker than you probably expect. Vizard features an easy drag-and-drop system that processes the transcript automatically to prepare your AI editing tools. If you are wondering which video you should pick, do not overthink it, because any long video with standout moments will do. The challenge most creators hit is that they have watched their own full-length piece too many times to objectively pick the best parts. Two simple ways to solve that are to rely on your initial notes or use Vizard's auto-editing viral clips feature. Instead of guessing where the viral bits are, the AI scans the transcript and audio energy to suggest segments with the highest potential. Let me be clear that this is not magic, but rather smart tech doing the heavy lifting by identifying where energy spikes or punchlines land. You can then preview those candidates, make tweaks, or stitch them together, which saves hours compared to scrubbing footage manually. Once Vizard gives you those candidate clips, the next crucial step is tightening them up. Tightening is what separates a clip that flops from one that goes viral. You have about 2 to 5 seconds to grab attention, so ask yourself what line would make someone stop mid-scroll. If your original video opens slowly, simply move the best, most shocking line to the very front. With Vizard, you can easily reorder transcript segments just like moving a sentence in a document, so the clip starts with the hook. Short-form viewers expect constant movement, so cut out the long pauses, dead air, and filler words. Vizard's editor includes pace adjustment tools that remove extraneous pauses and improve flow without making your voice sound robotic. I usually pick a natural pace setting unless I am specifically creating a hyper-energetic video for TikTok. Another big part of tightening is swapping visuals that might look awkward when converted to a vertical format. Vizard allows you to upload supporting graphics like screenshots, phone mock-ups, or branded cards to slot into the clip. Little changes like this make a clip feel native to Reels or Shorts instead of just an afterthought. Captions are absolutely non-negotiable because a huge chunk of people watch without any sound turned on. Vizard auto-generates captions from the transcript, and you can style them to match your brand fonts, colors, and animations. I like using rounded corners and subtle drop shadows because they really pop on small, crowded screens. The key is legibility, so make sure your text is large enough and timed perfectly to the speech. Adding a quick bump music track or a subtle zoom can help emphasize a beat, but try not to go overboard. Vizard has built-in options for brand assets, so your logo, colors, and caption style are saved and applied automatically. One of the biggest differentiators for me is the scheduling and scale aspect of the tool. While other platforms force you into manual steps, Vizard's auto-schedule feature handles everything. You can set your posting frequency, and the AI schedules clips across your chosen platforms based on best practices. It even maps which clips go to which networks and handles the timing so you are hitting peak engagement windows. Pair that with a content calendar and you have a central place to see what is queued, tweak copy, or swap thumbnails. For creators juggling multiple channels, having this all-in-one interface saves hours of work every single week. Vizard's strength is that it focuses on short-form distribution from the very first step, which significantly reduces rework. After you have polished the clip and adjusted the pacing, preview it in both vertical and horizontal views to catch any awkward framing. Exporting is straightforward, and Vizard also includes background noise reduction, which is great for vlogs shot in busy spaces. Drop your exported clip into your content calendar and decide on your final captions and hashtags. I usually do a tiny human edit to the AI suggested captions to make them sound more like me and add a personal call to action. A great pro tip is to batch this entire process so you can get 8 to 15 usable shorts from a single long video. Schedule those across several weeks and you can maintain a steady flow without constantly having to record new content. Finally, a quick reality check. No tool will ever replace a creator's taste or instincts. Use the AI as a co-pilot to surface moments, then do the human editing to add the necessary context and personality. If you want one platform that stitches all these steps together, Vizard does a great job at that sweet spot of discovery and scheduling. Try taking one of your longer videos and running it through Vizard to see what the AI pulls out for you. You will be surprised by how much reach you can get just by repurposing a single recording. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.